Pat, putting some water down. Need to start starting to spray. Got some water down. I'm going to try a little burnout right now.
I gotta put it on first. Nigga.
Don't worry about it. Alright, Fat.
Sparks?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I don't know, some burnt shit or something.
What?
Yeah,
Sparks?
yeah.
What?
It's like coming down.
Let's look at it. Let's look at it.
You can't see it now.
Start the car.
It's like when the engine's running.
You show me.
Where at?
No, right here. No, like you can see it like right there.
My hands hurt.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, I see it now. Oh shit, yeah, there's something burning. Oh, it's probably on the exhaust.
Oh yeah, there's rubber right there.
Some leaves or something.
There's some rubber on this shit.
It's not shit burning.
See the rubber right there?
Oh, I see it now. It's down there, something burning. Let me get a stick.
Dude, look
Let
at
me
that,
broomstick.
dude.
Let me get that broomstick. Let me get the broomstick.
Where's the broomstick?
Start up the compressor.
I don't know how to turn this shit on.